Listen, come on, man. At that time, I look for set 2,000, just 2,000. Where? He just make the and set him up. That couldn't happen to Nigel Clark. That could have never happened to Nigel Clark. Listen, this is a comeback, big comeback for opposition. Two times it happened. Desmond McKenzie, wrong time and place for Wednesday. And this is a big comeback. Talking point this. And in the election year, you can't give opposition talking point.
What is clear? What is clear though is that there has to be a response to something like this, because 9 days and it's dead. Not when it has been shared all over social media.
It's not dead.
Not dead.
It's not dead in a 9 days.
All right, beg on a second to say something, please. I have seen where the opposition party have been doing worse than this, and we do not come out and say anything, right? But yet still we are adding fuel to fire when it comes on to a mistake or error that the minister had made. And we should stop compare Miss Fayval Willaims along with Mr. Nigel Clark. They are two different personalities. They are both Ministry of Finance, yes, but we must not compare them. We must not look for the theatrics from Fayval Willaims, right? We must bring our true. If we consider ourselves labor, right, we must be on the defense when it comes to them trying to paint a bad light. If you are working, if you are working with $2,000, right, in order to purchase a Probox, you can get there. Believe me, you can get there, right? You might not be able to purchase it in the timeline that you said, but if you are putting up $2,000 each month and then you accordingly, and then you can get there.
Yeah, we all know that, but what we are talking about the setup what she shouldn't take.
I am not a fan of Miss Jackson, but she was not set up. I listened to the line of argument, right? But if we are there and we are thinking and we decide that we are going to save based on a $2,000 budget in our capacity, we can get there. Believe me, we can get there.
Listen to me, man. I know where you earn, I know where you save.
Showing a partner with $2,000, right? If you throw a partner with $2,000, depends on how many people is in that partner. You can pay down on a Probox.
Me throw 2,000 a day for daily partner. I'm going to throw 12,000 a week time for weekly partner.
Right? It all depends on how many people is in that partner. You can pay down on a Probox. We need to think as labor, right? And we need, I don't know if you guys are labor, right? But we need to come and explain the scenario, how you can do that, right? I see billions of dollars missing out of thing there. Missing out of Kingston and yeah, right? And we didn't run and say, Lord, right? And no, this guy, downtown is not being kept clean, and this guy is coming to us now and telling us that he's going to cut staff, and no one is talking about it. Right? And this is what they do. They put these things out there and let the flagger run with it, in which he's claiming that he's going to cut the staff, and downtown is not being kept clean. Right? And otherwise from that, him cutting staff, he's not telling us where is the overcrowded in the staff. You can't just come out as a mayor and say something, right? And while downtown is not being kept clean. As long as he took over office, we realize that downtown is not being kept clean. We stop see the people on the road cleaning the streets.
Yeah, I talk about PNP, man. PNP love Jamaica. They only love the idea. Say they in power around
Jamaica, man.
Yes, sir.
what it is that is in the budget that you want to discuss. What you think should be highlighted? Tell me.
All right, my understanding is that there's a thing there.
By the way, let me tell you something. You see, sir. You see, politics is a very scientific thing, you know.
Mind game.
It's a mind game, you know, my brother.
Mind game.
Let me tell you something. You have to have a strategy in a time like this, because everything that you say is going to be either twisted or misinterpreted. And also, when you live in a society where information is instantaneous, in other words, as you say it out of your mouth, it becomes a viral thing. Then you really have to be careful. You can't blame people for talking about something, you know, sir. You can't blame people for talking about something.
And that is the reason why I said that we should explain, right? Because if you are in a partner and you are throwing $2,000,
no, Jamaica, don't do that. Don't do that, because that argument that you are putting forward there is the exact argument that no make no sense at all. Leave this discussion.
Yeah, man, we can't from the gun from the media already it become a blast. Yeah?
It's indefensible.
No, something they're not there.
No.
Fix that again. Yeah. Them minor you talk to minority we're well educated now. Majority are dunks and I just listen to them they just want to hear sick for run with you know.
Mr. Speaker, you ever hear the saying the wicked fleeth where no man pursueth?
You understand? So you have to know what they say. You have to know what they say. From the look on the housing program. Nothing bad no say. But then twist it for them way and run with it.
All right. So Jamaica man.
yes.
You don't set the narrative for your opponent. You hear, sir? You set the narrative for yourself. You don't fall for your opponent's traps, the traps they set for you. What you have to do is to make sure that you understand the environment in which you are operating. It's better not to answer a question than to answer a question and give people something that you have to be clear when you're communicating in politics. You have to make sure. Okay, sir?
No, but
yeah,
at the end of the day, you know, things can be solved by communication, right? And if we should talk and let it be known that this is how this can work, and otherwise from that I've mentioned something earlier and no one is wondering, no one is questioning, where is this guy? This guy should come out and let us know. With no workers on the street downtown, where are you going to cut the staff from? And I want to say to the people that is working with KSAMC, if you are on the payroll and you were put on leave, you were put on leave for them to restructure, because this is something that is actually going on in these
The only thing, Jamaica, is that I do not have the facts of that. I don't want to engage in something that I am not aware of.
All right, just let me say something. If you were put on leave and you know that you are put on leave and you were working somewhere, please come out if they take you off staff. Please come out if they take you off staff. I'm finished now with that.
Respect.
Listen,
all right.
We need to be more. We MPs them and councillor them, they need to be more trusty. We can't call them a list of here, but I kind of understand. They need to be more smarter than. You understand? Think before you talk, man. You know what type of person where you go up against. He might twist you. He might pick you. So you have to smart time. Because first thing she ball out, just 2,000. Yeah, that are just lunch money. You understand? Look on it. You never used to get back none. So she did have to say you never used to get back none. I'm done.
I never said that.
All right. What are you expecting, Bounty, to come out of the opposition's presentation today?
They might talk a bunch of crap. They might talk a bunch of comparance and them did do this and it was for them idea and them are try to counteract everything what labor rights say. And them are opposition, so people are more gravitate to them. To this budget car, them are opposition and them are favorite right now. You understand? So people are more gravitate. Hey, boss! Hold on there, yeah? If you never buy it, I will go there, I say. Yeah, them are more. Them are come with everything to oppose what the government say and paint the narrative like you know good enough. You understand?
Yes.
So I am now asking Minister, please tell us who is the person who is asking?
Why are they the favorites though? Why you say they are the favorites? Favorites how?
From longer time, you know, PNP have a election machine, you know. They know if to win election, but they don't know if to run a country, you understand?
You think they still have a bond election machine, sir?
No, it cut.
Yes.
It cut. But at the end of the day, them still have that, them have the idea, can win the election, but they don't have the idea for run the country.
Yes.
You understand?
One of the things that they are suggesting is that not unite for the poor.
No, but we talked about this from yesterday. The poor man, listen, what you fear if you understand, you know?
All right. I said to somebody this morning, hold on the Bounty.
Yeah.
Just listen to this that is happening in Parliament right now. Labor rights are not going to be happy, but let's play it.
They have asked me to say to you, to ask you, Minister, from last night to today. They want to know where they can get the Probox that costs $2,000 per month. That if you put it aside, where they can buy that Probox. Because
that's all I try to tell them. You get a person ammunition to shoot you.
$2,000 a month for 3 months. You can pay down on that Probox. So they
give a person ammunition to shoot you.
Ready to buy that Probox. So I want to ask the minister, please tell me where that Probox is.
So that's the politics of it. You hear, sir?
It a got twist.
Right. So let's not sit here and think that the PNP is not going to play it.
It a got twist.
Yeah. You know, if
common sense tell us say it a go use against you. So you know what to say.
So what you have to do is to be prepared to respond.
You have to prepare for respond.
Yeah. You know, and I am sure that the PNP bloggers are going to cut this and paste it.
Well, I'm tell you where government should have do.
Hey.
If him evil, do it for this budget and next budget in carry it back. Him should have abolished income tax for a whole right through.
Yes.
You understand? Just abolish it.
Well, it can be really abolished, you know. What they are doing is that, because you remember, if you abolish it, all the man we are worth 25 billion a year, he won't pay none.
Yeah.
And you can't have them demanding not paying any income tax. Income tax is 25% of your salary, you know. Bounty.
I know that.
When them take out the tax-free portion, then they divide it up in a 4 and take out 25%.
Yeah,
right?
I know all of that.
But let us not